right, so wow, it has been a crazy morning so far. I'm getting ready to get on the freeway right now. It's only 11:45 a.m. and already this morning I accompanied a buyer who I'm helping purchase a home, one of my clients. We went and did a final walkthrough. He's going to be closing on the home in 2 days. He'll be the new owner of his new home in 2 days. So we went and did a final walkthrough to confirm that all of the repairs that we negotiated in the transaction were basically completed, as well as the house was in still the same condition that we last saw it in. And so did the final walkthrough with my client this morning. Then from there, I went and met with other clients that I had that on a listing. I basically represented them on the sale of their transaction, of the sale of their home. So we went to the title company and closed that property. Their listing should fund and record by the end of today, so that they will have the sale of their house completed, most likely today. And then after closing, I went and did a final walkthrough with one of my contractors on one of my fix and flips out in Taylorsville. And a cute little remodel project that we did. There's probably just a handful of small little items that are left that we went through the house and looked at. Maybe 3 or 4, half a day of work probably. So he should have that probably all wrapped up by today or tomorrow, just depending on when he goes back to wrap those small little items up. And if all goes according to plan, we will have that property on the market on Saturday probably. We'll have an open house. Maybe even put it on the market tomorrow if he gets it all done today. If not, maybe Thursday, Friday, but open house this weekend for sure. And get that property sold. And now I'm on the freeway driving to the Olympus Cove neighborhood to go check out a potential property that I may potentially buy as a fix and flip project. Definitely needs a lot of work. It's an older home, very, very dated, but the area is super desirable. And so I'm literally on my way over there now to go see that property. So we'll see. Maybe we'll buy it, which would be a lot of fun to do that remodel, but maybe we won't. I don't know. On that note though, what I will do is show you guys the walkthrough of the Taylorsville house so you can check out how this flip kind of basically turned out. It's not 100% done. You'll still see some materials laying around, not much though, but it's like 98-99% done, so pretty much ready to go. So I hope you enjoy it. We are here at one of the most recent flips that I've got going on, and we've come to check it out. We're coming down the home stretch, just got done meeting with the contractor, and just kind of went over like a quick little punch list of things that are left before we put this house on the market. So let's take a quick tour. Let me show you the after product. It went through a pretty big renovation, big transformation. So I'm really happy with how it looks. So this is the front door. We just came in, and here is the front room that we've got. You can see it's already staged. I mean, like I said, we are down here at the home stretch, but there's little things like the vent still needs to be cut in. And then we've got the vent cover right there. Just a handful of small little stuff. I'm gonna come stand in this corner by this tree, do a kind of pan around. This is kind of like my favorite room because of the big, huge windows, high ceilings. Let me show you. It really just pretty. Looks really nice. And a lot of natural sunlight coming in, but I'll come stand over here in this corner. All right, we'll come here first to the kitchen, and I'm gonna come stand. These are kind of pantry closets. It's kind of nice. You got 2 pantry closets. I'll stand in this corner here. Oh yeah, this is kind of cool because you can, look down. Again, all that natural sunlight coming in, really nice. But Whole entire new kitchen was put in here. Tore out the cabinets, tore out all the appliances, tore out all the flooring, and basically put in new flooring, put in a new kitchen in here, put in a nice quartz countertop, and yeah, it just turned out real nice. I'm gonna come stand over here. Got a little dining area. You can see the old appliances are still out on the deck, but got the deck right there all done. But again, it is, it looks really nice. Again, just a lot of small little tiny things that are left. I shouldn't say a lot, just a handful like this. Just doorknob sitting right there on the ground, just needs to be installed. But you can see for the most part, it's done. Put in new tile, ripped out the flooring in here, put in a new vanity. There was actually a wall right here where you could see this. We opened up that. There was this half was just where the sink was. That half was the toilet and shower. We basically opened it up to make it seem nice, big, spacious. It looks 10 times better in my opinion. So this bathroom ended up going through a complete transformation, which at the end of the day looks really, really good. All right, so now let's go check out. There's just a bedroom. Maybe I'll show it to you, but here's the master. The master's nice because it's got a big window right there, lots of natural sunlight coming in. I'm gonna come stand in this corner right here and kind of just pan around, kind of so you could see the space, but a nice good sized master bedroom. And then we'll come into this bedroom over here, and I'm gonna stand over here in this corner, just do a quick pan, nothing crazy, just a bedroom. It's kind of nice though, another window that just goes out onto the deck. And back there's the garage. So, but a nice spacious deck. Check out this deck, it's pretty big. Definitely you can get, some patio furniture out there. It'd be really nice to spend some time outside. All right, let's go downstairs real quick. And not a lot to show down here. There's some more bedrooms and this bath. Basically, just kind of freshened up this bathroom. Oh, see, that's just need to kind of finish painting up there. It's missing the shower handle. So just, again, little few things on the punch list that still need to get done. But for the most part, this bathroom, this house is pretty much almost ready to list. I'm gonna stand in this corner and kind of do a quick pan around. This is like a nice, big, spacious family area. That's a laundry closet. So this patio door goes out underneath the deck. But again, just a few things left. Should be done today or tomorrow. Here's just another bedroom and another bedroom. So 4-bedroom, 2-bath, complete transformation. Again, but one of my favorite parts is just this front entryway where you walk in, you got this room. Of course, I do like the kitchen as well because it's kind of blended. I like how these two spaces are blended together. So, on that note, wanted to show you guys a quick tour of the latest flip that we have ready to hit the market probably this weekend.